This is the Bryant Legacy Line heat pump that I got a video of in defrost mode last December. And then it looks like they replaced that old York with a Bryant Evolution system. This is the exact same unit that my best friend has. Third week of 2011. And it would appear that this one is a 3-ton. There's that older Bryant. I believe this one's a 9. Oh no, 2000. This one's from 2000. And then there is a Bryant Preferred series, I think. That one is quiet. And then I think that there's a Payne and another Legacy Line on the other side of the building. If I remember correctly. Yeah, there's the Payne. This one's a pump. And then over here is the other Legacy Line I got a video of frosting. So yeah, 3 2006 Bryants, a 2011 Bryant, and a 2000 Bryant. And there's a Payne up here. This building's been vacant for months. And a Gibson. Nice. Jeez, I didn't notice that before. Frozen solid. That's solid ice. Jesus. I didn't notice that before. Yeah, so that the Bryant Evolution had a 36 on the model number, so I guess that makes it a 3 nominal ton. I saw the 60 in the serial number, but I was thinking, I mean, my friend's is a 5 nominal ton, and it's way bigger than that. Nice unit. Really nice unit.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.